Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to create a rule in Gmail to move emails automatically using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for gmail.com. Okay, so now I'm just gonna move to promotions because my primary inbox is empty. Okay, so now I want you to do is to click on the email that you want to copy the informations, or you want to move in another label. So just go ahead and copy this. And now I want you to click on the filter section or option here at the upper part of your screen. And you want to paste this on the from section. So just go ahead and put the subject if you want. It has the words, doesn't have, the size, date within, the search. Okay, so just go ahead and do that. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on create filter. And just go ahead and check the box for skip the inbox. Also check the apply the label and click the drop down arrow. And if you want to create a new label, just go ahead and click new label. But if you want to choose the labels that you already have, just go ahead and choose on it. Okay, so I'm just gonna create a new label. Now click on create. Okay, so now when we click on this, you can see all of the emails from Pinterest. Okay, so that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.